Hi, my name's Dan Busso. I'm an artist, interaction designer, educator, researcher. I've been making artwork with machines since I was a kid. In this video, I want to talk about programming languages. I want to talk about what they are, how they work, and I'm going to do it in a completely different way. I want to do this for artists, for engineers, for everyone that looks at a screencast or a textbook and goes, I don't get it. I'm self-taught, and this is the way that I understand it. If it works for you, that's great. Let me know. If it doesn't, there's a dozen other ways to explain it. So the first thing that I want to do is talk about programming languages. So what is a programming language? A programming language is a language like any other. And when you start to learn it, it's difficult and weird. But the thing to remember, it's like learning French or Danish or Dutch or German or Japanese or something that's foreign to you. You start off, and it's completely incomprehensible. You're trying to make sense. But like a good friend of mine said to me, if you're starting to learn another language, give up trying to be clever or funny for a couple of years, and then you start to get it. So the fluidity that you have in your own language about being able to do things, when you start into a programming language, it's difficult. It's a similar kind of thing. But very, very quickly, you can start to make yourself heard. You can start to make yourself understood. And there's some great things about working with computer programming languages as opposed to learning things like French or German or Dutch or Japanese, in that the computers are essentially pretty stupid and you just have to talk very slowly to them. And although they may give you unintelligible answers saying error this and error that, actually they're doing their best to help you out. It's like cooking with your idiot cousin. You need to be really, really clear and really explicit and not expect them to have any common sense whatsoever. What's great is there's so much material to learn programming languages, and if you're interested in making art and design things, the most important thing actually is, do you understand the ideas in your head of what you actually want to do? So we're going to dive in and have a look at some programming languages and look at all the separate elements that might help you learn to program.